Now question number 51. It is from computer organization and architecture. A processor has 16 integer registers that are R0 to R15, 64 floating point register F0 to F63. It uses 2-byte instruction format. There are 4 categories of instruction: type 1, type 2, type 3 and type 4. Type 1 category consists of 4 instructions, each with 3 integer operand. Type 2 category consists of 8 instructions, each with 2 floating point register operand. Type 3 category consists of 14 instructions, each with 1 integer register operand and 1 floating point register operand, like 1R and 1F. It is given. Type 4 category consists of n instructions, each with a floating point register operand. So type 4 has n instruction, each with 1 floating point register operand. The maximum value of n, they want to know what is the maximum value of n that is in type 4 category. So we will solve this question now. It is given that instruction format is 2-byte, that is 16 bits. Okay, so total number of instruction encodes possible is 2 to the power 16. Okay, and it is given that in the question it is given that given that 16 is integer register and 64 is floating point register. So total number of bit in integer operand is log to 16. 4. Total number of bits in floating point operand is log 64, that is 6. Okay, now we will calculate the number of encoding consumed. Okay, so it is given that in type 4, it is given that in type 1 there is it is given that type 1 there is 4 instruction, each with 3 integer operand. Okay, 4 instruction and each with 3 integer operand. Okay, so for this 4 instruction and 2 to the power 3 integer and how many bits are consisting in integer operand, that is 4. Okay, so it is 2 to the power 3 into 4, that is 2 to the power 14. Likewise by type 2, it is given in the question that 8 number of instruction is 8 and it is a floating point and there is 2, so it is 2 to the power 15. Type 3 is like, where is it given? Yeah, type 3 is consists of 14 instruction, each with 1 integer operand and 1 floating point. So for this it is 14 and 1 integer operand, that for it will come here 4 and 1 floating point, so 6. So if we calculate it, it will get this value. Okay, so total number of encoding consumed is this amount. So what is the left amount? Total we have total 2 to the power 16. Okay, 2 to the power 16 instruction total, and consumed is this much, so this is the left amount. So total number of instruction possible for type 4 is 2048. Okay, and it is consisting of, and in the question it is given that it is consisting of floating point register. And what is a floating point register encoding? That is 64. So if we divided this the left amount by 64, we will get 32. So the 32 is the answer for this question. If you have any confusion, please let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe. Thank you.